In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Nano Banana 3D figure. We'll use Google Gemini's image creation tools to turn a simple idea into a polished, toy-like 3D figure concept. I'll walk you through where to click, what to type, and how to think about your prompts so you get clean, convincing results. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access all the creative tools. Once the app loads, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini keeps its creative utilities, and it makes the image workflow much easier to find and reuse later. Inside Tools, select Create Image. This opens the dedicated interface for generating visuals from text and references. It's designed to be straightforward. You'll see options for adding images and a field where you'll write your prompt. Think of this space as your creative control center. Click the plus icon to add a reference. This tells Gemini you want to guide the generation with a photo. It's optional, but extremely helpful if you have a style, pose, or color palette you want the model to follow. Choose Upload Files and pick your photo. A clear, well-lit image works best. If you have a banana toy mock-up, a sketch, or a style reference, upload that. Even a simple object photo can help Gemini anchor scale, color, and material details. Larger, sharper images typically lead to more accurate structure and texture. Now, click into the prompt area. When the cursor is active, you're ready to describe exactly what you want. Be specific, but keep it readable. For a strong result, include the subject, the look and materials, the style reference, and the lighting. Type your prompt. You can pause the video to copy wording, but here's how to shape it. Describe a tiny nanoscale banana 3D figure. Note that it's stylized and toy-like. Mention smooth polymer or glossy plastic material. Specify clean seams, minimal surface noise, and soft studio lighting with gentle shadows. If you want a playful vibe, add bright, saturated colors and a neutral background so the figure pops. You can also suggest a camera angle, like a slight three-quarter view, to help with depth. When you're happy with the description, click Submit. Gemini will generate images based on your photo and prompt. Give it a moment to render. If the first batch is close but not perfect, refine a few words, tighten material cues, adjust lighting terms, or clarify scale, and submit again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. That's the full process to create your Nano Banana 3D figure using Gemini's image tool.